Hey guys, let's make my easy pumpkin bread. My pumpkin sauce goes perfect with this bread. Here's all the ingredients that you'll need. The full written recipe is in the description. This bread is so easy to make and it comes together quickly. Start by mixing all the dry ingredients together. Once it's all mixed, set it aside. Cream your sugars and your butter. Once it's combined, add your eggs and vanilla. And finally, the pumpkin. Mix in the dry ingredients. I like to stir it first, just to avoid any mess. Once your batter is fully mixed, pour it into a greased baking pan. I like to smooth the top, but you don't have to. Pop it in the oven. The whole house is going to smell so good. While the bread is still a little warm, pour on some of that delicious pumpkin sauce. The bread is so good on its own, but adding the sauce just takes it to a whole nother level. I love the texture of this bread and the flavor. It's crazy good. You gotta make this. Thanks for watching.